Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at the highly anticipated Honda Accord 2026. This sedan has been a favorite for years, and the 2026 model is no exception. With a new design, upgraded features, and improved performance, let's dive into what makes this car a game changer. First, let's talk about the design. The 2026 Honda Accord features a sleeker, more refined exterior with sharp lines and a bold grille. Honda has really stepped up the game with a sportier, more aerodynamic look, making it perfect for anyone who wants a stylish ride without sacrificing practicality. Inside, the Accord 2026 continues the tradition of comfort and quality. You'll find premium materials, a spacious cabin, and an updated infotainment system with a 10.1-inch touchscreen. It's got all the latest tech, including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an upgraded Bose sound system for a more immersive driving experience. Under the hood, the Accord 2026 comes with two engine options: a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine for a balance of efficiency and performance, and a 2.0 hybrid for those looking to save on fuel without compromising power. Both engines are paired with a smooth CVT transmission. The 2026 Honda Accord combines luxury, performance, and practicality in one incredible package. If you're in the market for a sedan, this one should definitely be on your list. If you like this review, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell for more car reviews. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Would you drive the 2026 Accord? Catch you in the next one.